Welcome to the Arabic Animals Quiz. Let's test your knowledge. Are you ready? Question 1. What does asadun mean? Is it tiger or is it lion? Lion. That's correct. Well done. You're off to a roaring start. Question 2. What does fil mean? Is it elephant or is it panda? Elephant. Spot on. Fantastic work. You're doing great. Question 3. What does dubbun mean? Is it bear or is it panda? Answer bear. That's absolutely right. Excellent job. Question 4. What does kird mean? Is it zebra or is it monkey? Answer monkey. Perfect answer. Amazing effort. You're smashing this quiz.
Thanks for watching. Watch for Arabic videos by qualified teachers. Test your understanding with the free online quiz, link in the description. Watch more vocab videos with attached exercises for free. Until next time, take care and keep learning.